Hey there, future kitchen masters. Boiling isn't just about cooking food. It's one of the safest and healthiest ways to prepare meals. But to get the best results, we need to follow some smart techniques. First, always cook at the right temperature and time. Meat must hit at least 70 degrees C, and beans. Give them a solid 10-minute boil to remove harmful anti-nutrients. Want to keep more nutrients? Use less water and save that flavorful broth. And don't forget, storing food properly is just as important. If you're not eating it right away, keep it below 5 degrees C to stop bacteria in their tracks. Follow these steps, and you'll master the art of safe and nutritious boiling. Ready to dive in? Let's go!
Clean drinking water is essential for health. Boiling is the most reliable way to kill bacteria, viruses, and parasites, making water safe for consumption. To do this effectively, bring water to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute. If you're at high altitudes, extend the time to 3 minutes. But remember, boiling only removes biological contaminants. Heavy metals and chemicals still remain. To ensure complete safety, filter your water before boiling. Once boiled, store the water in clean, covered containers. Never touch the inside of the lid, prevent recontamination. Safe water starts with safe boiling.
Have you ever wondered why boiling water is one of the oldest and most trusted methods of cooking? Let's explore the science behind boiling and microbial elimination. Our food and drinking water often contain invisible microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Some of these can cause serious illnesses if consumed without proper cooking. Common harmful microbes include bacteria like Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria, viruses like hepatitis A and norovirus, parasites like Giardia and Cryptosporidium. Boiling water reaches a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which destroys most harmful microbes, making food and water safe. Different microbes require different levels of heat exposure for complete elimination. For example, bacteria like Salmonella dies at 70 degrees Celsius in 2 minutes, and parasites like Giardia needs 1 minute of rolling boil. While boiling is effective, other cooking methods also eliminate microbes, but not always completely. Boiling is best for water and soups, killing all microbes.
Let's clear some common misconceptions about boiling. Myth: boiling water immediately kills all bacteria. Fact: some bacteria like Clostridium spores require more than just boiling. Myth: boiled food loses all its nutrients. Fact: boiling retains most nutrients unless overcooked. Boiling can be made more sustainable by using the right techniques. Boiling is one of the safest and most effective methods of microbial elimination. Always ensure proper time and temperature to protect yourself and your loved ones from foodborne illnesses. Want to learn more? Subscribe to our channel for more science-based food safety tips.
Ensure even cooking and quality. When boiling food, it's essential to stir regularly to maintain even heat distribution. This prevents scorching and ensures uniform texture, especially in starchy foods like rice and pasta. Now, let's take a look at the boiling temperature chart for different food items. Vegetables boil at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Depending on the type, they should be cooked for 3 to 7 minutes for the best texture and nutrients. Rice and pasta also boil at 100 degrees Celsius. But they take a little longer to cook, about 8 to 12 minutes. Meat and poultry require a lower temperature for slow boiling, around 85 to 95 degrees Celsius. These need 1 to 2 hours for tender, juicy results. For hard-boiled eggs, we need a rolling boil at 100 degrees Celsius, cooking them for about 9 to 12 minutes. And finally, seafood, like shrimp and fish, requires gentle boiling at 70 to 85 degrees Celsius for 3 to 10 minutes. Overcooking can make them tough. By following these temperature guidelines, we can achieve perfectly cooked food every time.